First hike in the rain, East Palisades. Ah, this is nice. Peace and quiet. Just me, the rain. I hear a jogger coming up. This is it though. This is nice. So there's two ways to get to the bamboo forest. Obviously we're at EP 22, so we could either go down to connected 23, or we can go to 24 to 12 to 14. I think 14 is like the lookout spot, if I'm not, well, the lookout is like right here. We're not gonna see that today. We're just gonna go 22 to 23 to 17 to 16 all the way to 26, and the bamboo forest is right around here. Pretty easy one. Really nice. This is pretty nice. I encourage everyone to get outside more. It does wonders, you know. Good, how are you?
Great.
Pretty nice. I've never noticed this open area here. All right. Cool. So we were just down here at 22, and now we're at 23. So I guess now we cross this bridge. Instead of going that way, we cross the bridge, go down to 17, right? Because it would loop around that way. Shit, I think I could have crossed. Okay. I think I realized what I was looking at earlier now. I think I understand it now. So obviously we were just, well, not obviously, but so we were just right there. I crossed down that way. Instead of going that and loop it around, I could just cross right here. So at least I know somewhat of a shortcut on the way back. If I don't want to go over that bridge again, I could just cut that way. Learn something new every time I come on this trail, or walk on this trail. I shouldn't say come on this trail. Jeez. Getting closer. Getting closer. All right. I might end up taking the sweater off. I'm actually sweating. I didn't really imagine it to be humid, but it is Georgia weather after all. We are getting real close to the river. Oh, actually, this is a river. Sixteen here, goes all the way up 26. Hey. We made it. This is the bamboo forest of Atlanta. Look at that, man. This is so crazy. I've been to the East Palisades Trail so many times now, but every time I come here, especially to the bamboo forest section of the trail, it's always really nice. So yeah. Wow, did someone build a swing here? Oh wow, look at this. Yeah, someone definitely tried or did build a swing here. You can see, wow, out of bamboo as well. I want to try it, but probably break on me. I don't know. Section go. I would not, wouldn't it? Yeah, that would nice. All right. Time to head back. Oop. It's always quicker on the way back. At least it should be. At least that's what they say. Always quick on the way back. Ooh, that was a little deep there. Socks are gonna get wet. Whew. Remember that? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's 5:05, or actually 4:40 or 4:55. Damn, I can't even tell time now. 4:55 p.m.